Function is said to be undefined when, let's say, we have a fraction a over b, and the b equals 0, then we can say that this function is undefined, because we know that anytime the denominator of a fraction becomes 0, the function becomes undefined. All right, now let's look at example. If I have f of x equals x squared minus 3 over 2x plus 4. Now we want to find the values of x, or the value of x that will make this function undefined. So if I want to find the value of x that will make this function undefined, then I have to make sure that the denominator of this function is 0. So all that I have to do is that I have to take the 2x plus 4, which is the denominator, then I equate it to 0. Then I solve for x. So 2x is equals to negative 4. You divide both sides by 2. So what happened here is that these 2 cancel this. I have my x to be 2 goes here, 1 go into this 2, negative 2. The meaning of this is that once I substitute this negative 2 into the denominator here, I'll get what? 0. So that's how we solve for a function, or something that makes a function become undefined. Now let's look at another example. Okay, so if I have f of x equals 2x over x plus 2, x plus 1. Then if I want to find a function, or what to make this function undefined, then I have to take the denominator, which is x plus 2, x plus 1, then I'll equate it to 0. So what happened here is that this side is going to give me x plus 2 equals to 0, or x plus 1 equals to 0. So x is equals to negative 2, or x equals to negative 1. The meaning of this is that if I substitute the negative 2 into this, I'll get 0. If I substitute the negative 1 into this, I'll get 0. So that's the meaning. So anytime they ask you to find the values of x that will make a particular function to be undefined, that is how we go about it. Right, basically, if a question asks you to find zeros of a function, it simply means that you want what will make that function becomes what? 0. Already we have looked at the undefined, what will make a function become undefined, and we said that if I have a over b and the b equals 0, then this function become undefined. But if you want to look at a function, or what to make the function become 0, then it means that you have to equate the numerator to 0, the fraction. So if I have a to be 0, then you can see that this is a zeros of function, because once I put 0 or replace this a by the 0 over b, I'll get what? 0. Is that okay? So from this, we can say that a zero of a function is a function, or a type of function in which the numerator is what? 0. Or you can equate whatever given to you, the numerator of it, to 0. So let's look at this example. If I have f of x equals x plus 2 over x plus 1, x minus 1. If I have something like this and I want to find the zeros of this, then it means that I have to take the numerator, then I equate it towards 0. So x equals negative 2. Very simple. It means that when I substitute negative 2 here, I'll get 0. 0 over this will give me 0.